You're gonna love the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Tahoe delivers the power and capability of a full-size SUV, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe and connected, a serene cabin loaded with amenities, and impressive fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Getting the job done feels good. Getting it done in upscale comfort feels even better. Drive the Tahoe.